Coconut Grove is a very small cove, separated from the sea by a ship.
I'm Eliza and I'm with my fellow woofer Kylie here, and we're just turning over this woofer plot. So all we're doing right now is we're turning over the dirt with the shovels, then we'll go over with the hoe and smooth it out, and then we'll mix some compost so this dirt is ready to go so we can grow some awesome veggies.
Fishermen working at night, not even one.
What we're gonna do is compost our garden, put a little bit more nutrients in to add in so our plants can grow a little better. And this will be our compost, which is basically made up of all kind of eggshells, banana peels, anything greenery, whatever we have from our kitchen, we'll just put into our boxes. And this is our condition for our soil here. And what we do, we just spread out a little bit here and there. This soil ain't that bad at all. So what we're doing is just throwing some in, and what we're gonna do is just mix it all in with the dirt. After we have done a harvest, we like to turn our beds over and keep things loose so it's easy to plant, easy to harvest.